Today, my husband come to feed my animal with me. Do you see the kitten? So lovely. He like to sit there. Hello. Hello. That's. Oh, nappy tiếp đấy. Môi nút vì chưa cho đám kia nữa môi đồ hòm à. Bánh tao vô môi nút mình chẳng môi nọ bánh gì. The brown and white one, he always chase the other to eat. He eats one plate and then he continue to eat the other. Today I don't see two more. Hey you! It's mommy! Come on! Hank! It's mom! Oh, why? Maybe he's scared my husband because my husband not so often come here, and then he doesn't know that the food is coming. My own. They're frightened to my husband. Okay, just put the food up there. And this one, I have to take the medicine for him because he has tick fever. So this is the medicine that I always keep inside the meat. Yeah, I keep inside this one. So when he eats the meat, the medicine will go together. Oh, cannot walk back it on your press. Use up nanti. Maulepok ni cái khăn ai vậy? Cái này, thấy? Cái này. Ôn này. Cái này. Ôn này. Ôn này. Ôn. So I have to take the cats to eat here first. So no. Oh, good boy. Yeah, hey. So I'm done for feeding this place. I have to go to the next place. That one is eating up there. Okay, so we go to the next place. Thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you for your support. See you next video.